In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. All you need to do is find an app called Files that's already on your device and launch it. Then click on those three lines at the top left corner, and when you're ready, select Clean. Then click on Clean under Junk Files, and last but not least, select Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!